Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 15 of daily vlog. Time is 10:20 and the day is April 3rd. And I have just half a day today, mainly because I'm going out. I think this week is pretty much half day work and half day of hanging out. Mainly, I think it's like I'm working a little bit late in the night, as well as spending some day time with my friends. This doesn't happen usually, so it's totally cool. This week was supposed to be completely for email marketing, but you know, life, it never happens the way you want it to happen. So I will get back to you guys. So I have time. She's going to pick me up at 1 p.m. So I have time until then. Yesterday I completely forgot to end the vlog, so you might just see the scorecard. I'm pretty sure you might have seen just the scorecard because I forgot. We were out until a little later in the evening and I completely forgot. After that we came and I had some pending work to do. So by the time I finished it all, I forgot. I mean, I was doing the account tallying, I was paying up the rent, etc, etc. So that's the reason for forgetting. So today, now I have time until 1 p.m. Yesterday, Varsha and I went to Kadri Park and, you know, I was talking to you guys about the new marketing plan that I had. I went and spoke to a few kids and parents in a park. Oh my God, that experience was so terrifying. Never put myself, I mean, I'm totally cool recording myself in public, even if there are like a lot of people, but going and questioning random strangers, asking for their permission if they're okay to be shot, and then convincing them, telling them what it is about, questioning them, recording them was a task because they were not scripted, and that makes it even more real. And you know, people are quite nervous to speak on camera, but somehow we managed to do the recording, and we stayed back in the park for a while, and you know, we ate a little bit. So that's how it went. So Varsha already sent me the first draft. So today morning I was working on the revision of it and gave her all the necessary edits. So she's working on it. So today, I mean, when I post this, you must have seen this on yesterday's Instagram story on Manglo Mary Jan, or my Instagram, or Eddie's Instagram page. As always, links in the description. So that is what we have done. And yesterday, Varsha and I sat and we came up, we brainstormed a lot, and we decided the entire content calendar for the month of April. I can't wait. We have, you know, I've always wanted to execute these kind of ideas. Finally, I found the person where I can get this done. We both have very similar creative frequency. So I can't wait for you guys to watch out for our, you know, content idea on Eddie. I'm pretty sure it's going to be so wholesome. So do watch out. If you guys don't follow us, please give us a follow, because very cute ideas are going to come, especially in the second half of April. And so now edit, she's doing it. Apart from that, the to-do task that I have to do is, you know, my apartment association's final order is ready. They had asked for extra pieces, so all those pieces are ready. I am going to be doing a reel for it, more of just a product reel. So I will do that. I will go and drop it off at the clients, and there is another order that I have to drop it off at the clients, and the happy hour flyers are out. So I'm going to be dropping off those flyers in one of the location. Then I come back and edit. What day is it? I'm even forgetting the day. Actually, it's Monday's vlog. Monday's vlog is still not up. So Monday's vlog I'll be editing and I'll be posting, and I have to talk to for volunteers. I need few people for volunteering. Not really volunteering, it's a paid work. So I just want few people that can work for me for a day, on a day basis. So I will be talking about that and accounting. So that's all, because rest of the evening I'll be spending with my bestie. She got a new car, so it's a treat.
Rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
temple function. So we're done with the temple function. I'm going back home. If my friend is free, we'll meet my friend. If not, I'll go and edit my YouTube vlog, finish off expenses. Then I think I might have some free time. But I might end up relaxing because it's super hot and it's past 3 p.m. The realest any vlog can get. I'm literally laying on the couch. It's 8 o'clock and I am done with the unexpected temple visit. I'm feeling very satisfied. 2 client delivery is done. I have spoken about the volunteers. Now I'm going to do the editing of the vlog and accounting. So today it's out and out. Tomorrow is my friend's wedding, so that's why I said the entire week is a little bit of personal week rather than complete out and out work. So tomorrow is my friend's wedding and also is my friend's birthday, so I'll only be going during the lunch. And I also have to visit the mall. So let's see how the day goes tomorrow. But today we have completed all the tasks